Grok 4.5 just released, and people are using it to create some insane creations. Today, I'm going to show you some of the best games and things people are creating with Grok 4.5. Let's get into it. Alright, so one of the first creations that I'm going to show you is this Grok 4.5 made snowboard descent game. The user is saying that it was made in one prompt using 3JS. Right, so let's check it out. Wow, look at that. It's not the best looking game, but for something to be made like this in one prompt is pretty amazing. Now, of course, in a previous video that I made a game using Grok 4.5 with just a few sentences, right? A couple of sentences, and I made a pirate game. Not the best looking, but I mean, just for a couple of sentences, for it to make a game like that is pretty incredible. In this one, this person says that they use Cursor AI using the Grok 4.5, and in just a few hours of tinkering and sorting out the systems, it created this game that I'm about to show you right here. It created terrain, enemies, player ship, just in a few hours, right, of using Grok 4.5. It says this is all in a single 232 kilobyte HTML file. Wow, that is insane to me. It's very huge. Don't you remember playing games like this growing up? Like, it has settings where you can upgrade the ship, you could collect different metals, all of this just in a few hours. Just in a few hours. Let's put that in perspective. So imagine in days or weeks what this user can do with just using Grok 4.5. Alright, it looks absolutely amazing. So you destroy the blocks, it looks like, and then you can get different metals. And then you collect metals to upgrade your ship. Alright, so that's how it is so far. Just fast forward a little bit. Yeah, and look at the top, you've seen objectives to clear sector hostiles, so that's the enemy ships. And it looks like once you destroy the ships, you get some kind of orbs, and I'm guessing you can upgrade the ship with those. So yeah, pretty awesome build in just a few hours. This right here, guys, is one of my favorite builds so far that I've seen. So this person says Grok 4.5 in Grok build. Creating an FPS game in under an hour, guys. Not a few hours. Under an hour, he created a full FPS game. The person says the prompt was simple. I told it to write a game design document and pull free assets from the web. Then I had it create a to-do.md with implementation phases and run a loop to build out each phase. Alright, so this person says that SpaceX AI and Cursor cooked here. This model is insane. Guys, check this out. Come on. Look at that. This is so fun. And under an hour. So just imagine with a couple more hours put into this game, how much more things this person can add. Different levels, different weapons, right? A system where you can upgrade your weapons. So many different things. Upgrade the enemies to make them harder. As you progress in the game, there's just so many things that you can add. And this is all done with Grok 4.5 and Grok build. Come on, guys, this is insane. Look at that. You see at the bottom left, you have your health bar, and you actually have an option for armor, right? And at the top left, you can see every time you frag, that's what I see, a player, you're seeing it, right? When someone gets splattered, you see it. So pretty cool. Top right, you see your frags and the deaths. I mean, all of that in under an hour. I really hope this person builds this out because it's really cool looking. So you see this chart right here. I really wanted to show you guys this chart because when I saw this chart, I was just like, yeah, I was really mind blown because just look at it, right? At the top, number one, you have Fable 5 Max. Look at the cost, right, per task, and look at the score percentage, right? This is Fable 5. Alright, we know how Fable 5 runs. You will put a few prompts and you're like done for the week. Alright, but look at number 3, Grok 4.5 high. Look at the score, just 3 how much is that? Like 3 point some points lower than Fable 5 Max, right? So it's in the same range, and look at the cost. Guys, look at the cost. $1.51 compared to 17 and 32 cents. If that is not making your brain churn, I don't know what will. That's insane to me. So look, Cursor published their agent evaluations, and this is what they saw, right? For an agent running 1,000 tasks a day, it's $17,000 if you're using Fable 5 Max versus $1,500 if you're using Grok 4.5 high, right? So I mean, which one would you guys rather use? You could let me know down in the comments. But if it's up to me personally, I'm gonna go with Grok 4.5 high because I've been using Fable 5 and it's been burning through my credits, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's insane. So I had to show you guys the chart. This is a soccer or football game, right? That someone made. It's a 3 vs 3. You can shoot, pass, and tackle. And they integrated 2D sprites in a 3D environment. They made it with Grok Build, Grok 4.5, and Grok Imagine. Right, so it's a Grok stack. It's a fun little game. You know, the World Cup is going on, so a lot of people have football on their minds. Yeah, the next clip I want to show you, if this does not change your mind about Grok 4.5, then honestly, I don't know what will. Let's get into it. So as you can see, you know, we're seeing a like Fruit Ninja type of game. We're seeing an Angry Bird type of game, but I want you to focus on at the top. Look at the price, right, to make these games. And look at GPT 5.6 Soul. It actually froze. And if you look at MuseSpark, it's a lagging mess. Grok 4.5 is completely fluid. In closing, I really want you guys to consider what we just watched, the various different creations, and you know, let me down in the comments what you really think about Grok 4.5. I have my own personal opinions that I've shared, but let me know what you guys think. Looking at the screen is another example of just how amazing and just how great Grok 4.5 is in comparison to the other models, not only with its speed and the outputs that it's currently building, but also look at the price. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like and please subscribe as well. Have a great day.